In this video, I will tell you everything about crypto wallet. Before I get into the video, if you don't know what crypto is, I have a playlist about it on this channel, you can check it out. It is a digital currency, with business opportunities around it. Crypto wallet is like your bank account, for cryptocurrency. We have 4 types. Let's begin with online exchanges. This is where people go to trade cryptos. Examples include Binance, KuCoin, Coinbase. These exchangers have wallet functionality, so you can create one there. The disadvantage with this is that they decide which cryptocurrencies to have. Meanwhile, there are thousands of cryptocurrencies. They have their good side, like password recovery. It's the same platform you trading on, so easy access for your cryptos. I will recommend Coinbase and KuCoin. The second type is browser-based. You own the wallet, it's not kept by any platform like exchanges. You have access to thousands of cryptos. This type of wallet is associated with decentralized exchanges, like PancakeSwap. I will recommend MetaMask. The third type is hardware, which is offline for storing cryptos. If you have cryptos you want to save for a long term, and will not use them for buying and selling, you can use this. An example is Trezor. The last type is paper wallet, which is writing your address and password on paper. I will not recommend this. If you want to get into crypto trading, the first thing you need is a wallet, so with this video you can decide which type of wallet you want. Before you leave, like and share the video, subscribe this channel, turn on notification, so you don't miss any of our videos.